during voting, etc., are analyzed to understand issues in existing processes. A new platform called as the Real-Time Digital Authentication of Identity, RTDAI, was designed and implemented by the government of Telangana from 2019. This is a total process re-engineering in which citizen services are provided through a smartphone, anytime, anywhere in a presenceless and contactless manner without citizen visiting the government office. This is achieved by leveraging the power of emerging technologies like AI, ML, deep learning and big data. Now just to give you a few examples. PLCS, Pensioner Life Certificate through Selfie, was launched in the year 2019 by Government of Telangana. Government pensioners are required to file annual life certificates every year. For this purpose, they were to go out of house and to visit some office in a Mi-Seva center. Using PLCS, government pensioners in Telangana can submit annual life certificates through T-App Folio by entering their pension ID, name and uploading a selfie from the comfort of their home. About 30,000 pensioners have used in 2019. About 45,000 pensioners have availed this service in 2020, and more than 100,000 pensioners have used this service so far in the year 2021. Government of India also has launched a very similar application in November 2021. Now another application which we are very proud of, FEST, Friendly Electronic Services in Transport Department. About 17 services of the Transport Department in driving license, learner license, permit and registration services are launched from July 2020. These 17 services can be availed from the T-App Folio through a smartphone. The Telangana citizen today can renew a driving license through a smartphone from home on a Sunday or even an office holiday. This is a service delivery, a first of its kind in India and perhaps available in very, very few countries across the world as well.